On the auspicious occasion of the 51st Statehood Day, leaders of the Meghalaya Trinamool Congress extended their warm greetings to the people of Meghalaya and pledged to uphold the values of the forefathers who fought selflessly for the state and its indigenous population, emphasizing on the power of peace and unity and the results it bore during the statehood movement decades ago. Meghalaya Trinamool Congress leader Dr. Mukul Sangma, who is also the leader of the opposition, on Saturday urged upon the people to reinforce this spirit of oneness for the progress of the state. Meghalaya TMC leaders that include Miani D Shira, Dikkanchi D Shira and A Andrew Shullai also extended their greetings on the 51st Statehood Day of Meghalaya.
My heartiest greetings and a happy Meghalaya Day to everyone. On this auspicious day, the 21st January 1972, our forefathers fought and achieved this statehood for all of us, in sync with the hopes and aspirations of our beloved people. It is only appropriate to remember the uniqueness of the manner in which statehood movement was driven and given fruition, without having to resort to any violence, without having to shed even a single drop of blood. It is therefore very important for everyone from across the region, from across the nation, to replicate the approach that was adopted by our forefathers, who understood the power of nonviolence and the power of unity. It is therefore only appropriate for all of us to take a pledge to reinforce this whole spirit of unity and oneness and take the state to greater heights.
Hello everyone. Today I wish the people of Meghalaya a very happy Statehood Day. It is a very historic day for our beautiful state of Meghalaya. We all know that we attained full statehood on this day. It is time when we unitedly remember our forefathers who have fought day and night and sacrificed so much so that we could become a full-fledged state. It is our utmost duty to ensure that our state walks on the path of peace and development, which was also the vision of our forefathers and our leaders. Therefore, we pledge to bring back better days for our beautiful state of Meghalaya. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today on the 51st Statehood Day, I, Dikkanchi D Shira, Mandargan's MLA, would like to extend my best wishes to all my brothers and sisters of Meghalaya. It has been 51 years since the day our glorious hill state attained statehood in 1972. After our leaders made tireless effort to make it possible, today let us be reminded of the trials and tribulations these people endured for the sake of our state, who in unity relentlessly persevered for the greater good of Meghalaya. Let us also be dedicated to uphold this spirit of unity in our state. As we celebrate our rich culture and diversity, with the united effort, let us dedicate ourselves to taking our state to greater heights and glory. Jai Meghalaya, thank you and God bless you all.
Wish the people of a great state on the 51st Statehood Day. On January 21st, 1972, our glorious hill state attained statehood after long-fought battles. Today, we should unitedly remember the great heroes who relentlessly fought for the statehood to uphold our vibrant cultures and traditions. It is our collective duty to ensure that we keep striving towards ensuring all-round development of Meghalaya that our forefathers had envisioned. With collective effort, we promise to bring the change that our people deserve.